Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Jellycomb wireless 2.4 gigahertz ultra thin mouse and keyboard combo. So I have a computer in the living room and it's connected to my TV. The current keyboard only allows us to sit right at the TV and do that instead of on the couch across the room. So I thought it'd be nice to have a keyboard, a wireless keyboard that we could that functions well. I'm hoping this one does. So let's see what we got here. I picked this up off of Amazon. Runs about $30, so not bad for a keyboard and mouse combo. Okay, so here we go. It has a nice little cover. So if your keyboard gets stuff in it, it has a silicone cover here. I didn't even say it came with this, but I imagine this isn't just for protection, but also for packaging, but to throw it on your keyboard and type with that. And if you do spill something on it, just take that off and clean it. So nice little addition there that they didn't have to put in there. So that is sweet. All right, here's the keyboard. It's a full size. You got your number pad over here as well. The keys seem quite responsive. It's I think I read something about its scissors, some kind of scissors technology or something, but quite responsive. Here we go. Let's pull that out. All right, we have Jellycomb wishes you all the best. In the bag is a user's manual here. Let's pull this thing out. You can check it out here. Super thin. So there is the instruction manual. Has a nice little Jellycomb tag there. And inside here we have the keyboard. So as you can see, it's a super thin, nice and sleek looking, no sharp edges. We have an on-off button here. We have the little tiny USB plug for your wireless right there. This takes, what is it, 2 AAA batteries right in there. So that's all nice and sleek. It's got a couple or 4 non-slip pads, like silicone pads, so when you put down your keyboard it's not going to slide around. So that's nice. All right, what else we got in here? Under here we have the mouse, and that's it for the box. Okay. Oh, look at that little guy. It's kind of a very small, slim design here. I guess it has 3 different DPI settings, 1200 and 800, 1200, and 1600 optimal. So DPI button on the top there. It doesn't make a loud clicking noise when you're pushing the buttons, but you can definitely feel when it's actually clicking, so that's pretty sweet there. We have an on-off switch. Let's see how to access the okay, this takes 2 AAA batteries as well. And what's nice about this combo is that they keyboard and mouse run off of the same dongle, or whatever you want to say, that little USB thing, the wireless part. So, and that wheel on there is smooth too. So pretty sweet little setup here. I'm looking forward to getting this rolling and showing you guys how it all works here. So thanks for watching the unboxing video here. I will, when I do the review and the demonstration, I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check that out as well with the Amazon link if you want. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you soon.